Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Aisha from Bags of Style. Yes guys, we have another unboxing. I'm so super excited. Yes. Anyway, if you guys are not already subscribed to this channel, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. Join the family. We talk about everything that's bag related, from contemporary all the way to luxury. This is the channel for you. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for the continuing support. And let's get into this unboxing. All right, guys. So I'm not going to keep you guys in suspense any longer. I cannot wait to unbox this. Like, it's been a minute since I bought from this brand, but let's get into this, okay? Okay. So, yes, guys, I did get this from Saks, Fifth Avenue. Love Saks. Look at how beautiful they wrapped it. Oh, love me some Saks, guys. So, can you guys see it? Can you guys see it? It is from one of my first love, Coach. Okay, let's get this back. That's my return receipt. And let's get this out the way. All right, guys. So as I told you guys, I'm so excited. Let me zoom in real quick so you guys can see this beauty. So it is from Coach. It's been a minute since I purchased from Coach. And as you guys can see the color, so I am so super excited. This was actually one of my wish list items that I said I wanted in 2023. Oh, sorry guys for the shake. All right, guys. So I haven't purchased anything from Coach in a while. And the reason is that, honestly, I love Coach, but I haven't been loving any of the new items they've been coming out with. I cannot lie to you at all. So I've kind of ventured into other brands, but Coach will always be one of my first love. Okay, guys. So guys, if you guys watch my 2023 release, like my 2023 wish list, let me just move this out the way just a little bit. So if you guys watch my 2023 handbag wish list, this bag was in it, and I told you guys I just love the color. So this is actually part of the Coach the year of the rabbit collaboration. Well, it's not a collaboration, collections, I'm sorry. So this beautiful pink, guys, look at the pink. Look at the silver hardware. So this is the Bandit bag. This is the regular size. This is not the this is the regular size. This is not the crossbody. This is not the smaller one. This is the regular size one, guys. I just feel like this is just so beautiful. Like, this color, I was like, oh yeah, I need to get this color. You guys know how I feel about the Bandit bag. That's one of my very best Coach bag. I love the Bandit bag, and this is the reason why you see I shop in Saks when it comes to Coach, okay, instead of Nina Marcus or Nordstrom, because the way they wrap this is like factory wrap. Okay, love Saks, honestly speaking. But guys, as you can see, the inside is still just that brown. I honestly wish they would have made the inside the same beautiful pink that this is like a baby very light pink. I wish they would have made the inside the same thing instead of this brown, but hey, I can't complain. I do love this pink, guys. I think that is so beautiful. And the other cute, really cute thing, look, it comes with the little rabbit. Guys, look at the rabbit. Isn't that so really cute? It comes with the hang tag. I mean, don't get us wrong, I love the 1941 hang tag, but the rabbit, just to signify the year of the rabbit, oh my god, I think that is so cute. Now let's check the back. I mean, we've seen Bandits before. It does have the back pocket. There's no feet on the bottom. I mean, it's just a regular Bandits bag, but it's just the color, guys. If you guys are brand new to my channel, I do have this bag I have it in the smaller size, which is the crossbody size. I do have that. I have it in the bigger size in the surf. I think surf and turf, which is like the artistic one. I do have that as well. But this is the next color. I did purchased it one time from Bloomingdale's in the white color, the cream, but it was damaged. So you guys know I had to return that the same, literally the next day I went to return it. But this pink, guys, look at this pink. And I love the, you know what though? I love the fact that they used a silver hardware instead of a gold hardware because I don't know what kind of vibe the gold would have been given, but the silver hardware with this beautiful baby pink, I hope it's coming true to color like I want it to come. This color is just so, so stinking beautiful. Like this bag is beautiful. Like I feel like this is one of Coach best made. Like when I mean best made bag, I feel like it's one of Coach very best made bag. It does said it's made with the um genuine full grain leather, which this bag is just simply beautiful. Like the very first time I laid my eyes on this bag, I knew this was one of Coach very best bag. When you do open it, you have to just kind of like slide it. You press here. Let me, sorry. So you do press it. It has like the little kind of like a what's the name on here where you should be able to press it down, and then you just press it down like that. It does come, I'm so excited about this bag. It does come with the pink strap, and I don't know if I'm gonna use this strap, honestly speaking, because I really don't like leather strap. If you've been around my channel for a while, you know I always use like either like a silver strap or anything. But I do have the Coach silver strap that's just like this, so that's probably what I would use with this bag. But guys, like I stated before I opened this, I haven't been inspired by a lot of the bags that Coach is coming out with. That's why you see I haven't really been buying a lot of Coach like what I used to buy. I feel like the designs are just like I don't even know how to describe it. The designs are not what it is. Like when they came out with this bag, this design is just so beautiful. It's just like this is just like remind me of like the Bottega bag that I have, the BV bag that I did a review on my channel. If you guys are interested in that, it reminds me so much of that bag. Like this look like it's a couple of $1,000 bag just because of how it's made. It's so well made. But all of the new bags that you're coming out with, I'm not that impressed. I don't know why. I feel like they need to just go back to like their origin and do more of like the 1941s. I really love the 1941, especially in the Rogue. I feel like it's just so beautiful, top of the line. But the colors that you're coming, well, they shouldn't go back because they are creating ones. But the colors that you're coming out with, I'm not really too impressed with them. I'm not even gonna lie to you. And for like smaller bags like this color, guys, this color, when I saw this color, I was like, I want that bag. And the crazy part is that even though I already have two of this bag in the same design, just this color makes such a big difference. Like this is like a very beautiful summer color, spring color. So I knew I had to add this bag, and like I did it on the wish list, this was one of my honorable mention bags that I was like, yo, I just loved it. I do wish Coach would really rethink their whole design strategy, because I feel like it's more catering to more of like the younger, way younger crowd. Like I'm young, I'm just in my 30s, but still, like I love well-made bag. Like I love bags that are well-made. I want to feel like when I go and spend my money, that I'm getting a well-made bag. And don't get me wrong, like I'm telling you guys, like I haven't seen any bag in Coach that like, oh my God, I need to have this bag, until when I saw this. And the crazy part, like I told you guys, I already have bags just like this, but this color, chef's kiss. And the crazy part is that this is not even in the Coach boutique. The one they have in the Coach boutique is the pink is just on the side, and then is the Coach canvas. Yeah, okay. I'm not impressed. But this one, you had to buy from like the department store, like Nina Marcus, Saks, Fifth Avenue, Nordstrom, those places. But this is not even in the boutique. So you cannot go to the Coach boutique and get this. And the great part about it is that I actually purchased this less than the retail price. So I think the retail price in the US is $575. I actually got this $100 cheaper. So Saks was running a sale, and I jumped on it because I was watching Saks every single day to see if this bag actually had a sale, and I finally caught it when it was on sale. So I had $100 off, and I grabbed it. I was like, yeah, this bag definitely needs to be in my collection, especially in this beautiful, beautiful pink color. I'm not sure if I see like an airline scratch, but I'll go through it and just make sure everything looks good. But this color, guys, chef's kiss. Like this color in this design, in this bandit design, this is one of Coach very, very well made bag. Like this bag is just so beautiful, well made, that I had to get this in this color, especially in this size. Yes, guys. Anyway, so this was the unboxing for today. I just wanted to showcase to you guys my very beautiful Coach Bandit in this baby pink color of the, no, year of the tiger, no, year of the rabbit. This pink, chef's kiss. Anyway, guys, that's the video for today. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.